This typical video is made about the installation and wiring of X3 vehicle GPS tracker. For operation, please read the user manual carefully. Get the ground wire black. Connect it to X3 GND black. Then find the constant power of the car in the fuse box and connect it to X3 power positive red. After gradually connect power and ground cable, the device will power on. Then turn on the switch of X3 internal battery. How to find ACC? Usually it is in the fuse box. It should be around 0 volt when ACC is off, and above 12 volt when ACC is on. After picking out the ACC fuse, connect it to the X3 ACC, orange. Relay is needed if you wish to disconnect petrol supply. First, find the oil pump power wire, cut it off. Then connect relay 85 white and 87A green to the pump power input end. Next, connect relay 30 green to pump power output end. Finally, connect relay 86 yellow to X3 relay yellow. If you are connecting analog sensor, you need to connect the sensor positive to car power positive and sensor GND to car power negative. Then make sure the sensor output connects to X3 ADC purple. Set command ADD onto the device SIM card. After correctly connect the ADC wire and ground wire, the external voltage will be displayed on truck solid platform. Find the wire between the door LED and the door switch. Then connect the X3 input green to this wire. Check the voltage of this wire when door is opened. If it's around 0 volt, it's low triggering. If it's around car battery voltage, then it's high triggering. Set command door 0 for low triggering and command door 1 for high triggering. Find the power wire of AC. Connect X3 input green to this power wire. Set command door 1 to set high triggering. The X3 and ultrasonic fuel level sensor connects via silver port, and the TTL to RS232 converter is needed to adapt the signal voltage. Some wires are needed to be manually connected between RS232 and the converter and its fuel sensor. Firstly, converter RX green to sensor TX yellow. converter TX blue to sensor RX blue. Then converter GND black to sensor sGND brown. Next, connect the sensor to power source. Sensor 12V, input red to car power positive, and sensor GND black to battery negative. Lastly, connect the TTL end of the converter to X3 data jack. Wiring completed. Set command AIOIL on to turn on fuel sensing feature. Converter RX green to reader TX green. Then converter GND black to reader GND black. Finally, connect the read power rand to RS232 power rand. When all the wiring are finished, choose the proper place to put the device. Make sure the device top side faces the sky and has no metal covered on top.